Okay, so I'm heading outside and I'm taking my dog out to do his business. He's got to do some business. When I get outside, I notice that the clouds above me are gray. And to one side of me, if I look one way, it's like pitch black, like the wrath of God is going to come down upon us at any time. But if I look to the other side of me, there's sun, literally right on the other side of me. So one side of me is black, rain, clouds, and on the other side of me, beautiful clear, beautiful sky, clouds, it's lovely. And I am standing right now, right at that point of anything can happen. It can go either way. Either the clouds are going to come in this way and it's going to be an absolute dousing of rain and storm and thunder and you can just clearly see it. Or if this comes to me over here, then it's going to be this beautiful blue sky and everything's going to be clear and lovely. Which way is it going to go? We don't know. And so that's kind of like all of a sudden my inspiration for a message today, because I feel like that's kind of where we're at all times. We're in this space of never knowing exactly what's going to happen. We never know. We're always standing in that point of the center of those two extremes, the sun on one side of us and the clouds on the other side of us. And depending on the decision that we make at that moment is going to determine what happens. Are we going to get rained on? Is it going to be the storm, or is it going to be the sun? Is it going to be the beauty? Is it going to be the clouds? And what is it going to be? We never really know. We're always standing on that line, and it's just based on our decision. What decision are we going to make at this moment? And when we make that decision, one of those two polarities are bound to happen. Neither one is good or bad. It just is. So if you're standing at that point today where you need to make a choice, if you're standing at that point where you're looking at your life going, when did this become my life? When did this become me? I didn't sign up for this. This isn't what I had planned. Look around, and I bet you're standing right there. You're standing where the clouds are gray and pending, and you don't know exactly what's going to happen and what's going to come your way. You're standing at that place of choice. It's like that proverbial fork in the road, and which way do I go? It's constant, it's forever, it's evolving, and it's okay. It's okay. There is no right or wrong. There is no good or bad. There just is. So as you're going through your day today and you're looking around, looking at the directions and that you get to choose to go, be glad in that, because you have a choice. You have a choice today. You have a decision you can make. You can choose to go in either direction, and you can make that decision knowing everything's going to be okay, that there is no right answer, there's no wrong answer, there just is. There just is an answer, and it's all good, and it's all going to be okay. It's all going to be okay because nothing's wrong here. It's all going to be okay because there is nothing wrong here.